What's up guys, Brandon Washington here, and in today's video, it's Mondays. What does that mean? Motivational time. Let's get it. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button because this channel is all about filmmaking, tips, gear, and on Mondays, we always do a little bit of motivation. But with that being said, this Motivational Monday is going to come out a little bit short. It's going to also come out a little bit late, later on Monday, but it is still coming out on Monday nonetheless. So if you catch this on Tuesday, happy Motivational Tuesday. But today we're pretty much going to be talking about doing work. And what I mean by that is like getting work done. See, in this field, you know, being motivated and creating videos is what we live for, is what we strive to do. You know, it's what a lot of us want to do as our full-time career. We're very passionate about it. We're always trying to grow and get better. But the truth is that not every day is a great day. I mean, there are certain times that, you know, we just don't feel it. You know, we go out to shoot and we're just not, you know, we don't feel that creative bug biting us, or, you know, life is kind of taking us through some turmoil, some ups and downs, and things just aren't really going the way we kind of planned on them to go. But, you know, it's very important for us to remember that we have to make sure that we set goals and that we try to keep moving forward to those goals no matter what. I'll tell you guys, you know, just a brief little story. This week has been probably one of the hardest weeks I've had in a long time. Now, I don't want to get into too much detail, but, you know, it's been hard to kind of pull myself out of that. And it's important for us to do that. It's important for us to keep the mindset that we need to pull ourselves out of those areas so that way we can keep moving forward. I know it's really easy to get caught in our feelings sometimes, or sometimes it's easy to think that, you know, oh, so-and-so is so much better than I am, or this person has better gear than I have, or whatever the case might be. And it's really easy to get down on ourselves, but we have to make sure that we don't allow that to be an ongoing battle. We have to come up out of it, because doing great work is legitimately what will separate you from the next guy. You know, today it's super easy for people to get their hands on cameras. You know, people can make amazing videos just with their cell phones. So it's not about the tools that we use to create or even being creative in and of itself, but it's actually doing that work, going through that process. That is the most important thing for us right now. Now, something I want to let you guys know about is just, you know, you're going to come to those points where you maybe not feel so motivated, or you might get to a point where you don't really feel like, you know, you can be creative, or you don't feel like your work is a representation of what you want it to be. But for all of those moments, I'll tell you, come back, watch this video again, share this video with someone who you know who feels that way, because if you are feeling that way, or you know someone who's feeling that way, let them know that that will pass and that it is important for them to keep doing great work, because keep working at it. It doesn't matter. If your work sucks, so what? It sucks, but the next time you do it, it won't suck as bad. So keep doing great work. And when I say great work, I don't mean it has to be the best work. I'm saying do great work because it is work that you are getting done. That's what makes it great. The work is great because you are the one doing it, and you're taking a project from start to finish, from idea to concept to completion. So keep working, keep doing great work. I hope you guys are having a great Monday, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, do great work. Peace.